Biointensive agriculture is an organic agricultural system that focuses on achieving maximum yields from a minimum area of land, while simultaneously increasing biodiversity and sustaining the fertility of the soil. The goal of the method is long-term sustainability on a closed-system basis. It is particularly effective for backyard gardeners and smallholder farmers in developing countries, and also has been used successfully on small-scale commercial farms. When properly implemented, farmers using biointensive techniques have the potential to use 90% less water than conventional agricultural methods. Use 100% less purchased fertilizer. Use up to 99% less energy than commercial agriculture, while using a fraction of the resources. Produce 2 to 6 times more food at intermediate yields, assuming a reasonable level of farmer skill and soil fertility, which increase over time as the method is practiced. Produce a 100% increase in soil fertility. Reduce by 50% or more the amount of land required to grow a comparable amount of food. This allows more land to remain in a wild state, preserving ecosystem services and promoting genetic diversity. We will be uploading weekly updates on our progress throughout the year. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.